Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use TradingView for support and resistance, easy method. Start by picking a clean time frame and loading price history. Zoom to visible swings and mark obvious swing highs and lows using horizontal lines. Label each line with its strength and time frame. Confirm levels by watching price reactions and volume spikes. Save the layout and practice marking 3 charts daily to build consistency and confidence in your entries. Choose the horizontal line tool and snap to the most tested price areas on TradingView. When multiple candles touch a price area, extend a zone rather than a single line to capture noise. Use different colors or thickness to separate daily, hourly, and minute levels. Add labels like strong or weak and note the number of tests. This visual system helps you filter trades and stay disciplined during live sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading charts, notes, and trading guides on the go with a glare-free screen and long battery life. I find it handy for study sessions away from my desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After drawing levels, wait for confirmation before trading to reduce false signals. Watch for rejection candles, such as wicks or bearish engulfing patterns at resistance and bullish signals at support. Add volume checks or RSI divergence to strengthen the case for a bounce or break. If a level aligns across multiple timeframes, treat it as higher probability. Manage risk with a clear stop and position size tied to level width.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.